Screencast tools that display text as you type come in handy when you want to record video tutorials where you have to show exactly what key combo you typed on your keyboard, like when you're using modal text editor, and more importantly you want to make a video tutorial on Vim. That is one of the many use cases for such programs, of course. This app only runs on Xorg and not on Wayland. So in case you're not sure, type in the following command to make sure what display server your distribution is using. I'll post the command in the description so that you can copy and paste it from there. This app only runs on Xorg and not on Wayland. So in case you're not sure, type in the following command to make sure what display server your distribution is using. I'll post the command in the description so that you can copy and paste it from there. In my case it says X11, which means I'm using Xorg, which means I can go ahead with the installation and the usage of the program. Let's check if the official repositories have the latest version of the program so that we can simply install it using apt. Typed apt policy Screenkey. Look at where it says candidate. It says the latest version available in the repository is 1.5. Now let's check with the official GitLab page of the software to see if that is the latest version of our program. In the release section of the repository, we can see the latest version is 1.5, which is also what we saw when we were checking the version from the official repositories. If you scroll down the page, you can take a look at the older versions. The repositories have the latest version of the software. Now let's get on with the download. First, let's update the repositories by issuing sudo apt update. The updating has finished. Let me clear the screen. Now to install, type out sudo apt install Screenkey. Press Y at the prompt or simply hit the enter. If you hit the enter without specifying Y or N, then it is automatically implied that you meant Y, which is yes. The program has been installed now. Let's start up set program. As you can see, it now displays whatever key I press on my keyboard, including caps lock, the escape key, and every other key. Let me play around with Screenkey. It is functioning as expected. All the keys are being printed on the screen as I type them out. Let me play around with Screenkey. Let me play around with Screenkey. If you want to, you can change the settings. If you want to, you can change the settings. Click on the preferences option to view the settings. In my case, I am content with the way the app is functioning as it is. But if you want to, you can go ahead and modify the settings.